Hello ma'am, so ngayon itong reflection ko, meron akong konting script dito kasi nalimutan ko lahat. So first of all, hello po ma'am. Ngayon gusto ko po sana i-share sa inyo yung reflection ko. So what does it mean to be truly human? So ito po sa ko is in part sa subject nyo, which is Intro to Philo or Introduction to Philosophy of a Human Person. So this subject taught me that being human is complex and multidimensional, shaped by our freedom, relationships, society, and awareness of life's impermanence. So freedom is a fundamental to being human. Exercising freedom means making choices that are not only good for myself but also for others. For example, ma'am, I once had to decide whether to stand up for a friend who was being treated unfairly at school. So, etong time na to ma'am is nung way back grade 10 pa po. Which is yung friend ko po is parang pinagtitripan ng teacher lagi in a bad way po ma'am. So yun ma'am, kahit po ganun, syempre ano po, parang prinotektahan ko po siya kahit papaano, kahit alam ko po na may bad something na mga happen. So kahit na alam ko po yun ma'am, kasi ginawa ko po yun kasi I felt responsible to use my freedom to do what's right. So this experience helped me realize that true freedom carries responsibility and the need to consider the well-being of others. Intersubjectivity teaches me that relationships shape who we are, our connections with family, friends, and other communities influence our beliefs, values, and even our sense of self in own life. I see this through how my close friends encourages me when I'm down, helping me become a more positive and resilient person. We are not just isolated individuals. So, ito yung sinasabi nilang no man is an island. We are not just isolated individuals. We become ourselves through others. So, as human beings, we all have roles and responsibilities within society. Personally, I see my role as someone who should contribute positively, even in small ways like volunteering sa mga programs, listening sa friends or others like kung may problema sila, and supporting causes I believe in, like mga nangangampanya na I believe na yung mga nangangampanya na tatakbo as mayor. So susuportahan ko yun kasi I believe na may magagawa silang good. So society thrives when each member actively participates and cares for others, and I strive to be an engaged citizen every day. So ayun nga po yun yung sinasabi ko. And knowing that life is limited makes every moment precious. This awareness pushes me to find meaning and purpose in what I do, forgive more easily, and to cherish the people around me. It teaches me to focus on what truly matters, reminding me that being human is about living authentically and leaving a positive impact. So, being human means embracing our freedom with responsibility, growing through our relationships, fulfilling our roles in society, and living meaningfully in the face of our morality. To be human is to strive, to connect, and to find purpose. So, ayun lang po yung reflection ko ma'am. So, I hope nagustuhan niyo po yun. Kasi sorry po, gumawa po talaga ako script kanina kasi alam ko makakalimutan ko to. Thank you.